Hi, my name is Jesse and today we're gonna make French fries. Hi! So, what do we need? French fries, of course. A lot of snacks. A frying pan.
And a few sauces.
First, we need to dress up. Looks much better.
Beautiful.
First off, we need to plug the frying pan into the PowerPoint. Watch out for your head. We turn it on 180 degrees. Then we need to throw the fries in the bowl.
I think that went well.
As you may notice, I'm not very good at throwing stuff in a bowl. Then we're gonna open the pan. And we do this. Then we can throw the fries in it. Slowly.
A few moments later.
Looking delicious already.
Nice.
Then we're gonna throw it in the oil. And now we're gonna wait. When we're waiting, we can already throw the snacks in this pan.
"12 seconds later."
And then we're gonna do the same as before. Yeah, the fries have to be in the pan for like 5 minutes or a bit more, 6. Now we have to wait.
I'm waiting.
This is getting out of hand. Now there are 2 of them.
So now we have to wait a little bit to drop out, you know?
Many months later.
That's just amazing. Perfect. Let's put some salt on it. Don't forget the snacks. Then we're gonna put it in the box. Watch out, of course, for your hands.
Now we can enjoy it.
And then we're gonna just eat it. Some applesauce on it. Well, that was the video for today. I thought it was a really nice video. I'm gonna enjoy my fries. So, bye.
Goodbye.